Welcome to an instructional video about Google Forms. You are going to love this. This is awesome. Basically, what Google Forms is it's a way for you to send out a whole bunch of questions to different people and get a response back so they actually tell you the answers to your questions, or whatever they think the answer is anyway. So a lot of times that's going to be a survey. In our case, and today, you're going to make a survey that you're going to send out to your friends during our next class. And this survey is all about you. And so you're going to write questions about you and see if your friends know the answers to them. Things like, what is my favorite color? What is the name of my dog? Things like that. And so you're going to add a whole bunch of questions, and we'll send that out next time. Your friends will get a chance to answer that, and you'll get to see if they know the answers. The answers will all come back to you in a really cool way where you'll get to see them in graphs and charts, all sorts of cool stuff. So that's what we're going to do. In order to do that, you're going to need to be in your Google Drive. So you've already logged into Google, into your email account, and now you're going to go up to the app checkerboard is what I call it. So click on your app checkerboard, and you're going to see this pops up. Go to your drive, and in my case, I'm already there. Once you're there, click on the red button. Mine says new, yours will say create. Click on that, go all the way down to the green button that says Forms, Google Forms. Really cool program that Google has provided. Now that you're here, the very first thing we need to do before anything else is change the title. So where it says Untitled Forms, we need to get in the habit of always changing our Google Forms and giving them a title. We're going to name this All About Me. And if you want, you can make that all caps. So we're going to click OK. And you'll see it automatically change the title down here. This is what you see when you save your document or your form. This is what the people who will get your form will see. And we'll make this fancy later on. We're just concentrating on adding the questions today. Here is a little tour of what the questions look like. You can choose text, paragraph, which both of those will require people to type in answers. We're not going to use those. You have multiple choice, checkbox, choose from a list. A scale is like how satisfied are you with your computer class, 1 to 10. And so that's what a scale would be. We really won't use grid, date, or time today. So the ones you'll use are multiple choice, checkbox, choose from a list, or scale. So let's do multiple choice. The question where it says question title, that's actually your question. You just type in your question here. Whoops, I misspelled it. What is my favorite color? Question mark. The help text, we don't really need help text here. That's if they need a hint as to what your favorite color might be or how to answer that question. We have multiple choice, so what we're going to do is we're going to click right here, and we're going to type in red. Click in the next one, blue. Click in the next one, green. Now I have to scroll down a little bit because I'm going off my screen. And if it says add other, what that means is it's going to add a box that says other, and they have to type in an answer. I don't really want you to use that one. Maybe pink. And so when I'm done, I click done. Then I add an item. Add item gives you the option to make another question. When you're done with each question, you press done. When you're done with the whole form, it's pretty easy. You're going to exit out right up here. That's all we're doing today. Next time, I'll tell you how to send this form and also how to make the form look really cool by giving it a different background, and we'll talk about some of the settings. But that is all you're working on today, is coming up with some really cool questions.